Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify title tag length for Google SERPs, beginner guide step by step clearly. To verify title tag length for Google SERPs, start by understanding the optimal length. Google typically displays the first 50 to 60 characters of a title tag. Open your website's content management system or HTML editor. Locate the page whose title tag you want to verify. Look for the title tag within the head section of the HTML. The title tag is usually enclosed in title and /title tags. Copy the text inside the title tag. Next, open a character counter tool online. Paste the title tag text into the counter tool. Check the character count displayed by the tool. If your title is within 50 to 60 characters, it's optimal for display. If it exceeds 60 characters, consider rewriting it for clarity. Focus on keeping the important keywords at the beginning. Avoid truncating essential information by being concise. After adjusting, check the character count again. Once satisfied, save your changes in the content management system. Lastly, monitor how your title performs in search results. Make further adjustments if necessary based on performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.